Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. So glad to have you here. My name is Leia, and on this channel we talk all things home decor, room makeovers, DIYs, and so much more. If you have been with me for a while now, thank you for being here. I have so much love and appreciation for your continued love and support. I just want to let you know that it never goes unnoticed. In today's video, come and decorate and clean with me for fall in our formal living room area. I will be incorporating some warm tones in this room while keeping it with a touch of glam. I always love to prep the room I decorate by dusting, wiping, and vacuuming the room I work with. And helping me to do so, this video is in collaboration with Flexy Spot. Flexy Spot is pioneering a boldly comfortable vision of the future with kinetic furnitures that's never stuck in one place or position. They have introduced a new line of products that will help with daily life. In today's video, they have sent me their new N2 cordless vacuum. I love the powerful suction of this N2 cordless vacuum. It offers strong suction power that easily lifts dust and dirt from both our tile floor and carpet. With its convenient cordless design, it provides great flexibility, making cleaning process smoother. Without the restriction of a cord, I can move freely and clean every corner of my home with ease. With its multifunctional attachments, the N2 cordless vacuum comes with a variety of attachments designed to handle different cleaning tasks. As you can see, these attachments can tackle hard to clean areas like furniture crevices and corners. Whether it's tight spaces or tricky spots, the N2 makes cleaning a breeze. I also love the long battery life. The N2 is equipped with a high-performance battery that supports up to 4 hours of continuous cleaning. This means I can complete more cleaning tasks in one go without the need for frequent recharging. Not to mention, it is also lightweight and easy to use. But not only does Flexi Spot specializes in ergonomic furnitures and making life easy and convenient with their cordless vacuum, they also sell multifunctional hair dryer that is a great alternative to Dyson and Sharp, priced at only 1/5 of the cost but with equally impressive results. This is their new B2 high-speed hair dryer that they have also sent me, that dries hair faster, and that also comes with its Kawanda effect curling iron that creates natural curls without damaging the hair. It's multifunctional and easy to change attachments and comes with a convenient storage case. This multifunctional styling, one machine does it all. Equipped with 5-in-1, B2 is designed to meet the needs of all hair types and lengths for effortless, versatile styles. Featuring a cutting-edge high-speed brushless motor that operates at an impressive 110,000 RPM, this ensures a rapid drying experience while maintaining a gentle approach to minimizing heat damage. With its 3 speed settings and 4 heat settings, it caters to my desired temperature and speed for my specific styling needs. I love that this hair tool smooths and reduces frizz to my hair and adds a protective layer to my hair cuticles, resulting in a smoother, shinier finish. So if you want to also transform your hair care with FLEXISPOT's B2 multifunctional high-speed hair dryer at a fraction of a price without compromising quality, and also obtain to clean with their convenient and lightweight cordless vacuum, I will provide all the info and links on the description box below. Thank you Flexi Spot for sponsoring a part of this video. Moving on to our fall decorate with me for our formal living room. And as always, I love taking you along with me in finding that perfect piece of decorations we'll be using in today's video. And that way you can always have an idea as far as what's out there if you are also thinking of where to buy and what to use for when you are decorating your home for fall. I also use some decorations I've already had at home for this fall living room area. I hope you stay and continue watching till the end to see how I put everything together in hopes you get ideas and inspirations as we go. Once again, I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you for being here, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's fall clean and decorate with me for our formal living room. I hope you enjoyed and got tons of ideas and inspiration in today's video. Please don't forget to show some love by giving this video a huge thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet today, I hope you consider doing so. I would love to have you be part of the amazing Glam family we have here. Have a beautiful, blessed weekend. Sending you air hugs. God bless you all abundantly.